Hey friends, so I'm gonna do natural makeup today. So hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. I've already used my toner. Okay, so let's put the moisturizer in. I use the Himalaya Nourishing Skin Cream. Continue with the face. Y'all can see like acne here. Yes, I've been dealing with it since 4 years ago. So I don't have like a handle for this shit, like, you know what I'm saying? Now, what I like to do next is to prep my lips too. So I'll go with the Raspberry Shine by Nivea and just love it on there. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. First, I will use the primer, Fresh Grape Primer. Here, we'll go in. I think it's finishing. I've used it for 2 years, guys. Oh, it's already expired. What I like to do is just blend it out. Guys, this is like my official makeup video. I'm still nervous. Guys, how are y'all feeling during this COVID period? Like, there's barely anybody coming out of their houses, so... Okay, so after we're done with the primer, we're gonna go with the concealer. I use Tarte Creaseless Concealer. If I'm not wrong, I bought this for $30? I think $30. Around there. I love the packaging. Look at that. It's so pretty. Oh, birds shaping. Beautiful. I feel like Snow White already. I love it because it covers white completely. So it gives that natural look still. I don't wet it because I already have moisturizer. It's already quite hydrated, so to say. Because I don't really use makeup often. Somebody's watching. Y'all. I'm very particular, especially around my nose area. It's freaking hard. Y'all must be thinking, am I living in a park or what? You can still see like some of that, so I'll usually go back. I don't really like to use foundation because I feel like foundation is like heavier, but this is like a normal routine. I go to school or something like that. Y'all know the eye bag's gotta go because this other times during COVID period where I sleep like 4 or 5 and fuck up my body clock. That's what it is. But I don't really like full coverage, so I like it light a bit. And then I will go in with the Tarte Hyper Performance Naturals Shape Tape Powder Foundation for this. Under medium 10 honey, 37H. Guys, oh my god, look at the packaging! Look at that, it's so pretty. Oh, where's my brush? Okay then. It's okay, we just use this then. Not used it. I usually use the brush. I don't know where it goes. Use. Shh. Yo, I'm living in a park, so. I'm just gonna get used to this, guys. How long do y'all take to make up? I'm just wondering. Please gladly share. So I would like to use the brush. It takes so long to do this. powder set. So what's next? I don't really like to use eye makeup. I just like to use some mascara and just blusher. But for today, let's play with some eyeshadow. So my best friend bought for me from Etude House Play Color Eyes. You can see it's quite used, like you can see that. It's heavily used. It's heavily used. Elf Professional Blending Eye Brush. Okay, so I'll just go on with the brown. Typical. Cool. I'm so sorry guys for the sound. It's so annoying, right? I know. Oh shit! It fell off. Beautiful. Let's use some Korean up in here. Okay, so just now I used WrestleMania Orange Bianca. This is in Korean, guys. You can see there. Sorry. In Korean. Now let's use WrestleMania. Just now we use Orange Bianca. You don't make all these type of faces in your makeup. Girl, these crazy ass crows or whatever. Gotta go. Okay. So let us touch up a bit on the eyebrows. Maybelline number 04 Dark Brown is the pencil for the brown. I just usually just touch it at the back. Just at the front. I don't like to blend it out because if it blends out, it looks very black. Okay, so that's a few strokes. I'm in love with the go. Alright, next. Blushes! What y'all have been doing this past month? I wanna know. Have y'all been exercising? Have y'all been... Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. This color is in MAC Melba. Yes guys, I use like a lot of products, different brands. Okay, now, what's next? Actually, I will go in with a little bit of highlighter to give it that natural glistening look, that glow. So I love Bradman's Morphe Babe in Paradise. The packaging is so pretty, guys. I love that. Yeah, I still got a lot left to use. And I've been using this for a year and a half, I think. Sorry, it's very dirty. And so yeah, I use this color a lot. It's very neutral, but it's like that look, This is the brush that comes along with it. It's pretty used a lot. Don't worry, I wash it. Okay, so I will go in with Baby Girl. Just a little bit there. Just a little bit there. Just a little bit there. We'll see that? Oh my god, y'all. Now, for the contouring, I like to use the Hoola by Benefit. You'll want to see this. Yeah, it's the same brush. Y'all don't judge me. Could you make my nose look smaller? Definitely, right? Okay, then I'll use the biggest brush. The brush that comes along with the Hoola Benefit. I'll just go in slightly here. Slightly. Just to give a little jaw. Okay. So I will go in with the mascara. MAC. The False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara Volume and Cool No Intense. Okay, here we go. Go in. Look at that, guys. The lashes are important to give you that really sexy look. It's very important. And same goes for the other side. One thing I've a bit fall off with MAC is the falling out that it hits the eyeshadow. I'm quite annoyed about that because it falls out very easily. It's my stroke too. There. Oh yeah, my nose, y'all. Baby girl. Look the nose. To finish off this look with a little subtle of Cough Cosmetics. Y'all see. Then they have two inside. They have the matte and gloss. Hi. Hello, mommy. Hello, mama. So I was a little bit dragged it out with my lips. Then we're gonna finish it off with the Cough gloss. So that's the final look for the makeup. This is the final look. Oh, like, Thank you for watching, guys. See y'all on the next video. Tell me what I can do, because I've been buying a lot of stuff lately because it's the COVID period. So goodbye, YouTube friends.